Alright, what is good, everybody? Welcome to trade recap number one. This is how I made $1,400 on the eval. Didn't take on the funded last week of December. Didn't want to risk anything, and this funded was like what I had it on deck for a long time, and it was like what $50. So it was like I don't really give a fuck about it. But yeah, let's get into it. So coming into the day, I was actually bearish. Why? If you go ahead and look over here, we see these highs, these relative equal highs. ES swapped these highs, but NQ didn't, creating an SMT divergence. We go ahead and take a look at ES. ES swapped these highs, but NQ did not, creating an SMT divergence. So after this SMT divergence, obviously you need to see price start disrespecting bullish order flow. We got this IVG, and we get this IVG. Now those were, part of the advice, but what was the main foundation of it and what made me so sure of us being bearish was due to this unfilled D-week opening gap. You know what I'm saying? Hopping down to the 1 hour, plus we were rejecting this 1 hour FVG. Alright, so coming into the day, coming into market open, as you guys can see, we open up, we sweep London lows. Yeah, let's lows plus actually New York PM low with an SMT divergence. So it was, in my opinion, it was a very good setup. There was a 30-second within here. You could have taken it up. London highs, equal highs here as well. New York PM high. It was a whole bunch of stuff. But didn't want to do that because of this unfilled D-week opening gap. So I waited and waited and waited. What do we get here? We sweep London highs. We sweep this New York PM high. We get this internal SMT. We get this external SMT. Yes, didn't sweep New York PM high. Plus, we tap into this 1 hour FVG. It was everything. It was very A++. What time frame did I take this? What time frame did I take this? On the 3-minute. Now, why did I take this on the 3-minute? Usually, I take on the highest time frame inversion on the leg. But now, we do have this 5-minute, but I want to take on the 3-minute because most of the time the 5-minute is, if the 3-minute goes inverse, the 5-minute is just going to run. You can go back, it's pretty obvious. Plus, price would most likely not react from this gap. It would react from this first presented bigger gap that has EQ, the range inside of it as well, as you can see. So I took this 3-minute, went break even at this 5-minute over here, and we got TP in like what? Got TP in 9 minutes. Targeted a 2 to 1. I didn't fully target unlog because I don't really need a 4 to 1. Would be nice, but I don't really need it. I just need my piece of the pie, and a 2 to 1 is pretty good enough for me. And other than the 50% consistency rule. So yeah, for some reason, price just didn't flush down to this unlock. It seemed like it wanted more liquidity, but in the end, it did. I think. Let's see. Yeah, it did. In the end, it did. And yeah, that's about it, mainly. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys did, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. Go check out my TikTok. I'll be posting on there almost every single day. Check out my Instagram, and yeah, see you boys in the next one.